In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Google AdSense 1099 tax document. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to view and download your year-end tax forms, like the 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC, straight from your AdSense account. Start by signing in to your AdSense account with the email associated with your payments. If you manage multiple Google accounts, double check you're in the right one so you see the correct payment profile. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side menu and click Payments. This is the hub for everything related to your earnings, transactions, and tax details. Inside Payments, open Payments Info. This page summarizes how you get paid and links you to the settings you'll need for tax documents. From there, choose Manage Settings. This opens the detailed payment settings for your account. Scroll to the section labeled Payments Profile. This is where your legal name, address, and tax residency are stored, which is important because your 1099 pulls from this information. Next to the entry that says United States Tax Info, or the equivalent for your country if you're outside the US, click the pencil icon to edit. This is a quick way to review what AdSense has on file for your tax status. It's worth pausing here to make sure your legal name, taxpayer identification number, and address are accurate and match your IRS records. Mismatches can cause forms to be delayed or rejected during filing. Now click Manage Tax Info. This takes you to the Tax Center, where your submitted tax forms are listed and where your year-end forms are posted when available. Here you should see the option to view and download your available 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC forms for each applicable year. Select the year you need, open the form, and download the PDF to a secure location. If a new tab doesn't open, check your browser's pop-up settings or try another browser. A couple of tips as you wrap up. AdSense typically makes 1099s available by the end of January for the prior tax year, and they're generally issued if your payments met the IRS reporting threshold. If you don't see a form but think you should, confirm you're in the correct payments profile and verify that your US tax info is on file and active in the tax center. If you operate outside the US, you may have different forms or none at all depending on your status. That's it. Sign in, go to Payments, open Payments Info, manage your settings, review your payments profile, edit your tax info if needed, and then manage tax info to view and download your 1099. Save a copy for your records and you're all set.